मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, today we are going to discuss the topic the interwar economy. Interwar economy means the situation which was during 1914 to 1918, which actually shattered our global world economy during that time period. Now, what happened actually? During the First World War, 1914 to 1918, this was the time period of the First World War. What happened? It was the first industrial war. So, being a first industrial war, every country who participated in this war used the most formulated and latest weapons which they could use. What? Use of guns, chemical weapons, aircrafts, and many more ammunitions which proved to be very much destructive beyond the thought of a person. It caused deaths, injuries, disability. Many people got maimed, many people got disabled because of this First World War, and this led to economic boom. Boom in the sense hike up of the economy. Because of the war, the situation became so critical. The demand for these ammunitions increased. On the whole, the demand for food supplies, medicine supplies also increased, and on the whole, side by side, casualties also increased. So because of this, there was an economic boom. Increase in the demand for the production, obviously the production of these deadly weapons increased. What happened? This affected the wheat production of Canada, America and Australia. How this affected? Actually, looking into the deep thought, the Canada, America and Austria were the chief producer and exporter of wheat. Now, being the chief exporter, because of the war, their exporting technology got hindered. They were not able to export the wheat production to the countries which they earlier had done. Because of which they had an immense collection of wheat in their country. What could be done this wheat? Because for the exporting purpose, you produce lot of quantity. When you are at home production, you actually produce as per your needs. Second situation, mass production occurred. Mass production when it's a world war. World war means the whole world is involved, maybe directly, maybe indirectly. Maybe my country is not fighting, but definitely I am affected because the other countries which are linked to me, maybe in business deal, maybe whatever measures I am connected to the country, I am definitely affected. So similarly, the mass production was also increased. It means to produce in a large scale. That is called mass production. The example of mass production can be a car manufacturer, Henry Ford, produced the first T model of his car, the T model Ford. This was the first example of the mass production done by the car producer Henry Ford. Situation of Great Depression occurred. What is Great Depression? Great Depression means it is a situation when you are tightened out or you are totally compacted in a situation where you don't even have a chance or a place to breathe out. ग्रेट डिप्रेशन एक ऐसी सिचुएशन थी जिसमें से एक कंट्री का अपने इकोनॉमी को बाहर निकालकर प्रॉपर तरीके से चलाना डिफिकल्ट हो गया. हाउ डिड दिस सिचुएशन अकर? द रीजन इज मास प्रोडक्शन. When you are producing in a lot of amount, lot of quantity, automatically the market is flooded with that product. The market is flooded with the commodity. And when you see lot of commodity, you definitely go to purchase it. What is the ground of purchase? Higher purchases. आप ले जाओ, पैसे बाद में दे देना. This situation occurs. Sometimes you are taking or purchasing a commodity on installments. आप ले जाओ, बाद में देते रहना. So this condition occurred, and because it was on the low cost of produce, so automatically people started purchasing refrigerators, washing machines, coolers, and a lot of luxurious items which they wanted to show as a status level. Whether they are able to pay that or not, that was a side situation. Presently, I can purchase these things or on a higher basis. I did that. People started purchasing these luxurious items to show their high status level. What happened? The catastrophic decline of production income traders employment. Now what does this mean? This means when you wanted to show your social status level on the higher purchase, you need to pay back. Sooner or later, you have to pay for these accessory goods which you have taken from the market. Because of the situation that बहुत सारे हैं, सस्ते मिल रहे हैं तो purchase करो. You have done that. You have done that. Now how do you pay? Pay, you need more employment, more income, everything more. From where that more will come? From where? More income means more job. More job means more factories. More factories means more production. When already you are in a situation of mass production and you are more producing it, where you are going to sell it? आप जब मार्केट नहीं है, आप इतना प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं तो बेचोगे कहाँ पर? Where you are going to sell? So when there is no market to sell, people are purchasing still on installments or on the debit basis. How you are going to pay? You will pay when you have income. Again same circle, income, employment, industry. Where is the income? Where is the income? Where do you get the money? So the situation of Great Depression occurred. Worst situation, many of the countries had taken loan from US to fight the war. Example is Britain. Britain was an international creditor, but during the war, it took loan from the US and became international debitor. Now Britain have to pay back that debit to the US nation. US nation no doubt had debited to many countries and started collecting loan back. Same way the Britain also. Now Britain was in the condition how to get the same position, same dominant status which it had in the international market. That was difficult because now India was not ready to support British as well. So the problem was with the Britishers. What they did, they imposed heavy taxes on the Indians. Peasants, farmers suffered because of these heavy taxes. When you are levying a taxes on the people and the situation is already a depression going on, how a person be able to pay heavy duties? What these peasants did to pay heavy duties, either they took loan, already they are in debit, they are more pressurized to take debit from zamindars or landlords or some rich people or high level people, whatever, from wherever they are earning to pay back the taxes. Other option, they sold their home accessories. घर के ज्वेलरी है, बर्तन है, सामान है, वो उन्होंने बेचा ताकि वो हेवी टैक्सेस को पे कर सके. This situation resulted in Second World War. This example which I gave you is an example of small, that is an Indian territory. Same situation was faced all through the world, which finally led to Second World War. Thank you.